Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Here is week 7 and week 8 of the liquidation retail space update. What did we sell on our little island and how much did we make? We're going to give you a glimpse into what we put there and tell you the numbers. So first, here is the tour. So we always try to change a little bit every week. I know it doesn't look like it's totally different, but we do change and add. See our new little racing boats there, and we've got some remote control monster truck cars that we have just added. We have been selling our mermaid tails amazingly, so I did have to replenish some of the sizes because we had actually sold out of the size 8 of the mermaid tails, which is amazing because we have about 30 of them online. If you want these mermaid tails, you can go to hookedonpickin.com and buy them. Here we added some more American flag hats because we were almost out of those, so they came in our shipment. And then of course we have all of our candy and toys, which sells really well. We put some toys on the front there, as you can see the pig noise putty there, and some of our micro fun flyers. And so we're going to go ahead and show you the rest of the toy section. We've got dinosaur fossils, and we've got some rocket shooters. We've got a dinosaur track. It also comes in shark. We've got of course our Family Feud box games. Then we have our X-Shot toys there, our airplanes, pooper scoopers, pet treat launchers, lots of toys, baby shark backpacks, some magic trick games. We've got our bubble blowing machines, which we added last week, and of course our diaper bags. On the front end cap, we have got our easy pan makers, our Bell and Howell flashlights, which have been a really big hit, some popcorn, some Baby Yoda backpacks, hamburger patty press, bling hats, which has been a good seller this last week. We'll tell you all about it. And here's some of the stuff that Robin has for sale. Robin and Jerry have for sale here. You've got some lamps, and then some notebooks, lots of school supplies. You'll be seeing, see this empty shelf? They're going to fill it full of school supplies. So that is all going out this week. So if you have not been to the Liquidation Station in New Baden, Illinois, which is basically right up Highway 64, 30 minutes east of St. Louis, you need to come and check it out. If you need school supplies, they will have everything at ridiculously discount prices. So then we have got we've got our Tommy Bahama beach chair there, as well as our cornhole set that's still there. She moved our other cornhole set to be seen better, so hopefully we'll get someone to buy that.
6x6 box or something.
Then we have got some more items
put the label
here.
on the outside.
Just checking out all the fun things they have at their store. So yoga mats.
What do you got? 8 cents in a clear bag or less. And so you get your 20, and then put that in a gray poly, and that way, even when it's at the
Amazon
warehouse, they're grabbing up the gray poly bag. They're not even paying attention. You know what I mean?
We've got
We do
some
that all the
notepads,
time.
some stationery, just lots of fun things at the store. You name it, it is here. You ever been to a Target? Well, kind of count this as a Target discount store. They sell almost everything that Target has, as well as many other things. So they get truckloads of liquidation from various different places. You got all your mosquito repellent and raid and bug killer all there, right there. And so they get lots of different things from liquidation, but a lot of the things that you would typically see in a Walmart, a Target, a Macy's, and so they even get some higher end stuff too. So come and check it out. It's really amazing. Lots of clothes there. And so they're always putting new things out every single week. So if you've not been in the store recently, come and check it out. Like I said, it's in New Baden, Illinois, just right up Highway 64 east of St. Louis. So not too far away from St. Louis. Got all of her Easter decor is 50% off, as well as some of the Christmas stuff that she has out. So if you love those holidays, come and check it out. You'll be able to find really discounted things. If you need bedding of any kind, she's also got clothing out. Those are cool mermaid shorts and some nice tops. Look at those cool tote bags, canvas tote bags and handbags of various different kinds. Just a wide variety, so you're going to be able to find everything you love. I love this little bag right here with the, makes me think of tropical Hawaii. Tons of different handbags. We've got shoes, kids' shoes, women's dress shoes. So those are new additions to the shelves. And then of course we've got all of our discounted items here. Just amazing stuff. Lots of toys and miscellaneous things. We've got a lot of gift bags. So if you're ever looking for stuff for birthday parties that your kids go to, you need to come to the store because everything is new and packaged. So yes, it's kind of a lot of different things on the shelf, but everything is brand new and packaged, and so you will be getting something that looks nice if you want to buy a gift for somebody or just for yourself.
That brand, if they're having issues with the brand, they may lose all of it. But who knows?
Yeah, and I'll look and see what that means.
So we're on a nice road here. Oh, there goes the semi. Okay, we've got these bins, 65 cents for some stuff. Got their shelf of candy there. It's amazing. Tons of chocolate. If you have a chocolate, a sweet tooth, there you go. Various different things. So it's awesome. Let's go ahead and check out the numbers.
Okay, here are the numbers for week 7 and week 8. We've kind of officially been open there for about 2 months now. So decent numbers, week 7 and 8. We consistently have sales, so it's really great for us. We're very, very thankful for that. So remember, when I say a week, they're open 3 days, and during that week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is how they have it set up down there. And we break it into categories of food sales, toy sales, and miscellaneous sales. So the food sales in week 7 was $5.49, which is a bag of popcorn. So, but we have sold popcorn every single week, which is pretty cool when you think about it. And then toys, that was our big one, $86.88. $86.88. So you've noticed that we're trying to buy more toys and put more toys down there, and we'll just keep doing that. It just seems to be, it might be the folks that keep going in there and buying. They're loving the prices and loving the toys and buying them for their children. And it's not like there's a toy store pretty close to us that you could buy toys from. So not bad. And then miscellaneous, $6.99. We sold a pet shooter that week. So our big sales were, we sold 3 mermaid tails for $29.97. Those are sort of a hit down there, and there's a big pool in the town, so that helps. And then we sold 4 slingshots. Don't know why, but we did. For $17.96. We had 14 total sales for week 7, and a grand total of $99.36. $99.36. And week 8, again, we break it down to food, toys, and miscellaneous. So the food, we sold 3 bags of popcorn. Isn't that amazing? 3 bags of popcorn for $17.47. $17.47. And then toys, very consistent in toy sales, $53.41. We sold one of the boats that we put down there, which is pretty neat. That sold right off the bat for $19.99. We refilled the tops, those little spinny tops that light up, and we sold 4. I don't know why. They had all the other same colors in there, but we just filled it up and more sold. Maybe they could see it better. 4 tops for $11.96, and we sold slingshots. There's a lot of kids with slingshots.
A lot of people shooting people in that town,
A lot of people shooting people with rocks. I don't know why. But slingshots sold 3 of those for $13.47. And then the miscellaneous category was pretty good this week. We sold $53.94 of just miscellaneous stuff. Sold a pooper scooper. Those are always fun. And our big sales in miscellaneous was we sold 3 different hats. 2 bling hats and then one of the American flag hats there. So we had 18 sales for week 8 for a grand total of $124.82. $124.82. So we've been averaging right about $110 in these last 8 weeks or so. So not bad. Sales every week. There hasn't been like a 0 sale week for us. So it's a blessing getting to be able to move that much product.
And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. It would be great if you could stop at the Liquidation Station and find yourself a great deal and buy some fun stuff from us and from Jerry and Robin. But if you can't, you can always go to hookedonpickin.com and buy the many items we have online, just like this magnet that I'm showing you here. We have tons of fun things available for sale. Thanks so much, and please subscribe.